Hello, this is Ana Santos and welcome to our 100 tips on how to make money online. And now we're on tip number 40. And for 40 na po tayo. And for tip number 40, we will explore freelancer.com.au. It's freelancer.com.au. Ito po ay freelancing website or a company that is based in Australia. Okay, so yesterday, if I'm mistaken, yesterday or the other day, I was checking out, Google, kung ano-ano nga ba yung mga freelancing websites na pwede nating explore, no? And I came across this freelancer.com.au. I never sign in, hindi po ako member dito. Member po ako ng ibang website like for like Upwork, ganyan, as Sunday. But it's if I'm mistaken, freelancer.com.au is ewan ko kung bago sila, no? But when I researched, chinek ko po yung mga offerings nila, yung mga job posts nila doon, I noticed that they're offering higher payment. Mas mataas po ang bayad na ino-offer sa mga freelancers kaysa sa iba. Like for example, in online job.ph, they're offering in Philippine peso. No, okay? Nabubulol ako Philippine peso, 15,000 to 20,000. Dito po sa freelancer.com.au, they're offering in US dollar. In US dollar, ino-offer nila kasi they're operating worldwide din eh. So, there are some, I encountered some, and they are offering $3,000 to $5,000 for you to build a website. Okay? So, medyo mataas po sila mag-offer. Mataas po kasi ang labor rate dito sa Australia, ang sweldo, medyo mataas po dito. Like for example, when I was on hospitality, ang pinakamababa yata ang naging sweldo ko ay, nung bago ako, $24. Almost $25 an hour. Okay? Lalong-lalo na po dito sa NT. So, if you are going to ask someone, a company, to build you a website, they will, ang initial offer po nila sa inyo, nasa $10,000. So, dito po sa freelancer.com.au, napansin ko lang na mas mataas yung offer nila kaysa sa iba. Okay? So, let's explore freelancer.com.au. So, we're here in freelancer.com.au. Okay? So, it's freelancer.com.au. Ibig sabihin, it's based in Australia. Okay? I never sign in or I never log in. If I'm mistaken, this is the second time I've visited this website. So, let's see how it works. Okay? So, post a project. How does anything you want sound? We have expert representing every technical, professional, and creative field. Okay, kahit daw ano. So, and the number, I just realized the number is Aussie because it's +61. So, ibig sabihin, it's Australia. It's based in Australia. Browse jobs. I got excited onto this because, the price, it's quite expensive. Aussies are really willing to pay for however you want or how much ever you want. Like this one. So if you wanted to build a website, he is offering around 3,000 to 5,000. Okay? Ito medyo barat. $2 to $8 an hour. Uy. Pub poker tournament. Online replacement. May ganun pala. Okay. So this one, can you work for me well? I need perfect working. If you can hit me, I don't know. What's this work, no? Siguro to virtual assistant. I'm not so sure. Testing educational mobile app. Okay? Man and woman job. Hindi ko alam kung ano to Business application and process modeling. You can use EPC diagrams. I don't know what's that. So, CV and cover letter. See, I'm looking for someone professional to build me CV. Ayan, no? Curriculum vitae lang, tsaka cover letter, and is willing to pay $119. Okay? Graphic design. So, ang dami. Content writer. Okay? This one, digital signage, Facebook and Instagram ads, This one. Video editor. Webflow designer. Okay? So, hindi ko na isa-isahin, pero those are the jobs that being posted. Yun yung mga nakapost dito. And based on what I see, mas mataas yung bayad nila kaysa sa iba. Like for example, in onlinejob.ph, usually they're paying in Philippine peso 15,000 to 20,000. So magkano 'yon? 15,000, 3, 6, 9, 12, $500, tama ba? Parang ganoon, $500. I'm not so sure in Australian dollar. If I'm mistaken, it's 32 now, 32 or $33. 33 pesos per $1. So, kwentahin nyo na lang. Anyway, so, ito po yun. Ito po yung mga hinahanap nila. Now, so meron din dito, if you wanted to have minimum minutes, fixed project, like for example, you're looking for someone who can work, you can work 60 minutes or 1 hour to 120 minutes, 2 hours, or minsan, hourly projects. All duration nakalagay dito eh. Yan. Okay? Let's try to post a job. And you know, here in Australia, because sabi ko nga po, I just finished a website. Mahal po dito ang magpagawa ng website eh. It will range from, mura na nga yung yung 3,000 to 5,000 dito. Some, they're asking for $10,000. So, if you wanted to explore more, ang pangalan po ng website ay freelancer.com.au. Okay? freelancer.com.au. Okay, so nakita nyo naman po, di ba? Mas mataas ang offer nila kaysa sa iba. Pero ang napansin ko rin lang pala na mostly they are project-based. Okay? Akalain mo 'yon, ultimong replacement sa poker hinahanap diyan sa freelancer.com.au. Malay mo, 'di ba? Yun lang ang gagawin mo. Okay, gawa ka lang ng resume or curriculum vitae or mga cover letters. Kung magaling ka doon, apply at freelancer.com.au. Thank you. See you tomorrow.